Hi, it's Liz from Sew4Home. We are sliding our way into fall here in the Pacific Northwest. And fall means colorful leaves, pumpkin spice, and if you celebrate, Halloween. I want to introduce you to a terrific tote with seasonal style, but with a silhouette and a structure that are timeless and really would be wonderful in any fabric combination. Our Harvest Moon Tote. We pulled our unique fabric from the Costumes and Cobwebs collection by Club Hauer for Free Spirit Fabrics. We have beautiful bats swirling under full moons, some spidery stars, and rows of grinning jack-o'-lantern faces. But as I mentioned, you can stay with this gorgeously gothic theme or choose your own combo because putting it together, that's the real fun. There are 4 things about the construction I think you're going to love. So first off, the fussy cutting and pattern matching. Every panel, as well as even the bindings and the ties, they're all designed to showcase the fabric's motif. We have lots of detail how to get a perfect match from the front crossover pockets to the background panel. And you also get to learn a very clever binding trick that is going to give you a perfect reveal and a very smooth finish front to back along the top of all the pockets. You are going to use this technique again and again. Our choice for stabilization is a fusible fleece, which gives it a soft yet very stable finish. It's also a perfect platform for bringing a little texture into the mix. We outlined the spidery stars on the side and the base panels with a quilting stitch. Now, love it number 4 is my personal favorite. Rather than adding a zipper or a snap along the top, we use pleated side grommets and ties that allow the tote to cinch neatly closed. Now, you can still reach in and out very easily, but it gives it kind of a nice sack-style bit of a fold. Although you're using these techniques on a tote, the tips, they're going to apply to lots of different projects. And learning something new to add to your sewing toolbox, that's always a good thing. I'm going to send a big thanks to our friends at Janome America for sponsoring this tote project. And I do need to take just a minute to remind you why we talk a lot about using the best machines. Because it's important. The easier, more precise, more reliable your tools, the sooner everything is frustration-free. And your own creativity, it can take over. Now this tote can be made on any machine, but having a machine with an excellent feeding system, precision stitching, lots of feet, boy, that makes all the difference. If you can, head to a Janome dealer for a test stitch, maybe on this new model, the Memory Craft 1000. It has sewing, embroidery, a compact size, an affordable price. You know, if you're thinking about adding embroidery to your creative mix, this one might be for you. We are loving it and have projects using it coming soon. Until then, our Harvest Moon Tote can be made right now on your machine. The instructions and pattern are free at Sew4Home. Thanks for listening and happy sewing!